Good evening everyone. A very warm welcome you all. You are watching the Pepperist and I am Garima. Saffron surge sweeps UP again. Here what BJP victory means under Yogi Adityanath. Led by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath from the front and powered by the Modi wave, the ruling BJP has recreated history as it all set to the return to power for a second term in Uttar Pradesh as the Saffron party is heading towards the landslide victory. The BJP also scored up 44.6% for a vote, a significant 5% improvement over 2017 elections. While CM Yogi was confident of BJP winning 300 plus seats from the beginning of high stakes election and opposition desperate attempt latch onto the farmer protest, highlighting the anger among the Jats and farmers into the Western Belt failed ministry too. Even as the counting of votes continues in Uttar Pradesh, the BJP is on the course to retain power in the politically crucial state with Yogi Adityanath set to become chief minister for a second straight term. Breaking a 37-year-old record in the state, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has himself won for the Gorakhpur seat by over 1 lakh votes. Trends coming from Uttar Pradesh indicates that the BJP is leading 263 seats while the SP-RLD alliance was distant second leading on 135 seats. On the other hand, the BSP and the Congress struggle to touch the double-digit mark. These keenly contested assembly election was seen to be a big litmus test for the Yogi Adityanath-led BJP government, which people believed was betting the anti-incumbency factor along with the revocating Samajwadi Party after the stage of formidable alliance with smaller parties including the Rashtriya Lok Dal. Exit poll predictions come with the true of BJP. The exit poll have predicted a clear victory for the Yogi Adityanath-led BJP government in Uttar Pradesh, though many said of the Saffron party will not be able to repeat its 2017 performance when it won to a whopping over 300 seats in 403 assembly. While these polls are seen as a direct contest between the BJP and Samajwadi Party, they will also decide the fate of Congress and Mayawati-led Bahujan Samaj Party, which are on verge of facing an existential crisis in the state. What's the significance of BJP victory in UP? Uttar Pradesh is the home about fifth of India, 1.35 billion people, and spent the most legislature of parliament in any state. The victory in the north state of come despite the state of Narendra government much criticized handling of COVID-19, high unemployment and anger over the reforms of PM Modi cancelled the last year after protest. The BJP has long predicted it would retain the state because of policies such as free staples for the poor during the pandemic, a crackdown on crime and the popularity among the Hindu majority reinforced by the construction of Ram Temple after the landmark SC verdict. It has long been assumed in Indian policies that without winning the Uttar Pradesh and the neighboring state of Bihar, no party of coalition has much hope of securing a majority in parliament. The BJP has been the power in both. For decades, Uttar Pradesh was the stronghold of the main opposition Congress party, but it has been unable to stem a slide in its popularity over recent years. A win of Uttar Pradesh would be a seal of approval for the Mank politician Yogi Adityanath, who was surprisingly chosen as chief minister for the state 5 years ago and is seen to a future prime minister candidate for the BJP. This is for today. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, The Pepperist, and hit the bell icon.